Today we learn the signature, how to create a signature in signature box with using the signature pad and jQuery, and like as they create the signature smoothly. First of all, like as an example, whenever we click on the get data button, this is data is the base 64 data of the signature, and now we can recreate means the clear the signature box, then click button of the reset button, click at the signature, and now we want to the rewind the data, and just now delete the data, and this data is like is the rewind, the click on the undo button on the undo is the uh, rewind data, yeah, the data, and click on the reset. And first of all, one thing in this one thing I want to, let's start. First of all, open the Visual Studio and create a project, ASP.NET Web Application. Click on ASP.NET Web Application. ASP.NET Web Application Framework data. Then create the project name, DE Library Demo Signature. You can like say the empty project also. In the Solution Explorer, we can create a new item, web form. And first of all, we need to a folder, sorry, scripts, second folder need CSS. I have already downloaded the files signature pad JS with from this URL. Signature pad and jQuery and bootstrap. Copy folder name, sorry, folder name, scripts. The DRT files, bootstrap, jQuery and signature pad JS. Bootstrap, CSS, paste this file, add the reference, there are the three main parts of this page. First of all, the script URL, use for the script, third is one, second one is the body, and the third one is the script. In the body there are the three buttons used for the get data, reset data, and the undo button, the three button. And this is the canvas used for the create a signature, and this is the text area used for the bind the base64 data. And this one is the script. First of all, in the script we find the signature canvas. Signature is the ID of the canvas, signature canvas. Find the signature canvas and the call the signature pad method from the signature pad JS. Signature pad JS, this one. And this button is the click function button. Second is the button data, get data button. Third is the undo button event. There are the three events of the button reset button event, click event. Second one is the get data event. Third one is the undo click button event. First of all, the button get button events. Get data button event. Get button data is the signature data and the text. The bind the get data, bind the data. So bind the data. Signature text, the signature pad dot data to URL image png 100. Signature pad JS is the this one. Signature pad variable is this one signature pad. And the reset button is the button event. This is the reset data. Call the variable the reset data, and the whole data bind in the variable, and this data, and want the variable, and to create the signature. And undo button is the read data from the reset data and from the URL signature pad, and this is the reset data. And one of thing, the signature pad. This is the signature pad height width. How to create the device according. Device according means the window width. This is the custom, create a custom functionality in the signature pad JS. If you want to device media according height and width of the signature pad, this one, and we can change in JS the window width. How to first of all find the window width, like as the copy, and this is the effect and the console. The second, the laptop device is the width is the 1263, and this media according the change of the canvas. If the device media is 30 and 35, 30 greater than 30 and less than 35 less than and 500, and greater than 500 less than 600, greater than 600 less than 500, and my 12, and my device according in this way. Sorry, else part. Actually my device width is the 1263, but all events is less than 1250. Then my canvas width reset, canvas width and height 60 by 30, and this is the canvas is the 60 by 30. And the like example, and my device like an example, this one is the 30 to 50, like as this code is commented, and this code is copy, refresh. This one the change the canvas height and width. If you